where to find the app lock, how to set it up, and how to actually use it. This is the OnePlus 12R and the same for the OnePlus 12. If it's your first time using this feature here, you'll want to go ahead and use the quick panel access, tap on the settings right there, and this will take you to the main settings of your OnePlus 12 or the 12R phone. So to find this feature, tap in the search bar itself and you'll type in the words app lock. Be sure to type in all of it because the suggestion would be found to the bottom if you just type in app only. So you'll see app lock now, you'll tap on that here and it'll show you where to go next, and it's part of the special features here. Okay, so that's where private safe is and hide apps is as well. So when you go to app lock here for the very first time, you'll need to set up a privacy password. This is different from your lock screen password. And if you set up the private safe before or the hide apps with a password, you can use that. You won't have to go through this, okay? So, but if you are doing this for the first time, you go to settings. This is gonna pop up here for you and you can choose to use a different style of password. You don't have to go with the 6 digits. You tap here and you can choose one of these here. You can go with the 4 digits, a different one, the alphanumeric, or the pattern. I'm just gonna use the pattern for this video, but you wanna use something far more secure than this here. And I'll just go ahead and do this again. And if you put in your password, go ahead and repeat it the second time. This is the security question, just in case you ever forget your password. And I would recommend you write your password down somewhere else other than saving it on your phone. You come here now and put in the question. For me, I'll go with none. And if you can remember the word none all the time, then that's a good way to go. So press the check mark here now, and you're gonna see turn on the app lock on or off in quick settings, okay? So you can use this. If you have the quick access here right there, you will see the app lock here. If it's not there, you'll tap on these 3 dots, edit tiles, and you'll find the app lock as part of it as a quick toggle, okay? So you can turn this on and off at any given time from wherever you are, okay? But other than that here, you'll just press got it. And now you are part of the app lock settings here. So from the first view, you'll see use privacy password to lock your apps. So whatever password you created just now, you can turn this on and you will be able to lock your apps away. So this list of apps here is all the compatible apps for your app lock here. And the one that says locked is the ones that are locked. So if I go to all now and I want to lock this here, and just for demonstration purposes, so this here, and perhaps maybe, I don't know, maybe the My Files one, okay? And then now you go to locked here, and it'll show you all the apps that are locked. And if you don't want them being locked, you'll have to come back here and just turn off the toggles, okay? But before I show you the rest of this here, tap on the 3 dots right here, and you will see the settings option. This is gonna take you to some more options here. And one of them, the privacy password, you can change the password here if you want to, but you can only change it if you know it. Lock app when. This is very important because this basically means the only time the app will re-enter into the app lock mode is after you lock your screen. But if you want it when you close out the app, when you exit the app out, it will re-enter into the app lock, which is very important. Then you have the other ways to unlock the app that's currently locked, and you can choose your fingerprint or your face unlock if you have those set up. All right, so when we come out of here now, we got these 3 here, and I'm gonna go into the dialer app itself just to show you how this is gonna work. So when I tap here, you'll see this here. You'll put in your privacy password, use your fingerprint, whatever, and it'll be taken to this right here, okay? Now, if I do close out the app now, and I go back to the app a second time, it's going to be locked again, which is the setting I showed you a while ago. You want it to be set as exiting the app itself, okay? And every time you come back here, you'll have to put in your password to re-enter and change any of the settings if you want to, okay? So like and sub.